And back here in Nigeria, the Capital Market Committee is holding their last meeting for the year. Let's get a sense of what the outcome of that meeting is so far. Let's talk to Tempo. Hello, Tempo. Good afternoon. So what is the market takeaway from the Capital Market Committee meeting today?
It's all about a 10-year capital market master plan, which was introduced in November 2014. Of course, that master plan is in its 5-year right now. And so it's between that period and now, they've actually achieved dematerialization, direct cash settlement, e-shares transmission, and of course, electronic dividend and more. So I think what they are now looking at is with the constraint that we are now having around liquidity in the financial markets at large, the board and, of course, the members of the commission are thinking of how they can get margin facilities to traders in the markets across board. And that was one of the conversation that they had today, as well as the needs to actually protect traders and, of course, investors' data. Those are some of the issues that they've actually been able to escalate today, given the state of the market so far.
All right, Temple, I'm sure we'll get updates on that in the news. We'll move on now. In the meantime, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Africa's second largest bourse, plans to introduce trading in financial derivatives next year as it seeks to deepen the market. Speaking at the Africa Investment Summit organized by the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, the Chief Executive Officer, Oscar Onyema, says the exchange plans to introduce futures and options to enable investors to hedge and manage risks. And finally, Egypt's sovereign wealth fund is looking to more oil-rich Gulf countries to drum up foreign investments as the Arab world's most populous nation presses on with the next phase of its planned economic revamp. After launching a $20 billion investment platform with the United Arab Emirates, Egypt's fund is now setting its sights on Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Oman as partners. The chief executive officer of the fund, Ayman Soliman, says the partnerships could take several forms, including setting up investment platforms or funds. And with that, we draw the curtain on today's edition of the program. Thank you for watching. I'm Chimezi Ubi Iwabo.